Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Today we are going to read a story about summer break and then we are going to complete a writing activity together. So we're going to look at the title of our story, which is Summer Break by Krista Joy. So we know that summer is the season right now, and right now we are on summer break from school. Although we're doing schoolwork right now, we know it's not the regular school year and that it's summertime and our classes are a little bit shorter and we don't go for the entire summer. So I still consider this our summer break. We're just doing a little bit of extra work during our summer break. And if we look at the cover of our story, we can see the beach, some water, some seashells, starfish. So all things that represent summer. On most weekdays, I go to school. And in our picture, we see some friends sitting at a table learning. It looks like their teacher is right here teaching them a lesson. And you guys are probably familiar with that because on most weekdays, you go to school too. Sometimes the schedule changes and I do not go to school. So these kids are not at school. It looks like they're at home. They're on their laptops and their phones and their iPads. So sometimes the schedule changes and you don't go to school. One of these times is summer break. So like I said at the beginning, it's summer break right now. So although we're doing online learning, it's not the regular school year. And in this picture, again, we see the beach, the water, some sand shovels. Summer break is time to do things with friends and family. So here we have a picture of, it looks like a boy and a girl and maybe their mom and dad or their aunt and uncle, but it looks like they're a family. So summer break is time to do things with your family and friends, and we're going to talk about some of those things. I may go on a vacation with my family this summer. So usually, sometimes in the summer, people go on vacation. They might go up north, they could go camping, maybe to the beach. There are a lot of different types of vacations that people take. Sometimes it could be for a week, sometimes it could be just for the day, taking a little day vacation to a beach or a lake. That might be fun. In this picture, we can see two young kids and they're at the beach. You know what they're building? It looks like they're building a sand castle. I may stay home with family this summer. So people don't always go on vacation. This summer, I'm not going on vacation. I'm just staying home with my family as well. But that doesn't mean that it won't be fun. So in this picture, we have a family at home and it looks like they're playing a board game together. So there's still a lot of fun things you can do at home without going on vacation. I may go for a picnic this summer. When we did our watermelon unit, we talked about going on a picnic. So it looks like this family has a blanket that they're sitting on. They brought their picnic basket full of food, and they're just enjoying a nice little snack or meal outside at the park. So going for a picnic might be something that you would enjoy. I may go fishing this summer. Have you ever been fishing? So it looks like this young boy and one of his family members are going fishing. So they're trying to catch fish out of the lake. I may go swimming this summer. So you could go swimming in a pool, in a lake, in the ocean. They're swimming in a pool. And they have some goggles on to help protect their eyes. And this woman here, she has something over her hair to keep her hair dry while she's swimming. So maybe you'll go swimming. It has been awfully hot out. There are great foods I can eat this summer. Yum. What is this young boy eating? Is he eating a hot dog? Thumbs up. Or a hamburger? Thumbs down. He's eating a hot dog. So we should be giving a thumbs up or nodding our head yes. Or signing yes, like we've been talking about. So he is eating a hot dog. I may eat ice cream this summer. So we have a group of kids enjoying a nice ice cream. I love ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Why don't you tell your family member, do you like ice cream? You could nod your head yes, shake your head no, sign yes, sign no, give a thumbs up, or give a thumbs down. Do you like ice cream? I love ice cream, so I'm giving a big thumbs up. I may eat watermelon this summer. So we talked all about watermelon the first 2 weeks of summer school. So we know a lot about watermelon. I hope that everyone's had a chance to try it. But why don't we tell, if you have tried it, why don't we tell our family member, do you like watermelon? Yes or no? Use any of the ways that we've been practicing to say yes or no. In August, summer will be over and I will go back to school. We actually go back in September, but that's okay. So in September for us, summer will be over and I will go back to school. When I go back to school, I may have a new teacher and be in a new class. Sometimes this happens, sometimes it doesn't, it depends. But for now, I'm excited that summer break is almost here. All right, so we're going to do a writing activity. Everyone should have gotten a worksheet that looks like this and this. And there is 5 sentences. And in those 5 sentences, we're going to complete them with our writing by choosing which picture or word we would like to use for our story. So my first sentence says, my blank story. So this looks like the title of our writing, my blank story. So it's going to be about summer because that's what we're talking about, but we get to choose from 2 different pictures. Do you want the picture with the big sunshine or the picture with the trees and flowers and sunshine? My summer story. So you choose this picture or this picture. And you're going to glue it over the number 1. So my summer story. I blank summer. So we need to fill in the blank. I like summer, I don't like summer, or I love summer. And it's however you feel. Maybe you don't really like summer that much. That's okay. You could say that I don't like summer, or maybe you like it. Maybe you love it. Maybe it's your favorite season ever. So you choose. I'm going to say I like summer. I like summer because it is. So why do I like summer? Do I like summer because it's sunny? Because it's hot? Because it's fun to swim? Or because of summer break? So you have 4 different choices to tell me why do you like summer? Or maybe it's because you don't like summer or because you love summer. So I'm going to finish my sentence. I like summer because it is sunny. I love the sun. It makes me happy. So you choose and tell me why you like, don't like, or love summer, and you're going to complete the sentence. Our next sentence says, I like to blank in the summer. So what do I like to do in the summer? My choices are swim, go to the park, go on vacation, or watch TV. So what do you like to do in the summer? In the summer, I like to go on vacation. I mentioned in our story that I'm not going on vacation this year, which is okay, but I like to go on vacation in the summer. So you choose from all four choices, what's your favorite thing that you like to do in the summer? And our last sentence, I like to eat blank in the summer. So here are some summer foods. We have ice cream, watermelon, strawberries, and popsicles. So what do you like to eat in the summer? These are all good choices. I like them all. I'm going to say I like to eat watermelon in the summer. I like to eat watermelon in the summer, but yours could be anything from these four choices. So now let's go back and look at my summer writing. I'm going to read you the whole thing together. My summer story. I like summer because it is sunny. I like to go on vacation in the summer. I like to eat watermelon in the summer. And that is my summer story. So you guys, you're creating your summer story. And like I said, it doesn't have to look like mine. It could be different. But go ahead and complete your summer story. Great job today. Have a great day.